Ever wondered why your eyes get red, itchy, or swollen at times? Could it be something more than just dust or your pet's fur? Think about it. It could be an uninvited guest, an eye infection causing discomfort and disturbing your perfect vision. Now don't panic, it's quite common, and many of us have experienced it at least once in our lives. Yes, we are talking about eye infections today, a common but often overlooked health issue. So, what exactly causes these irritating eye infections? Well, let's dive right in. Most commonly, eye infections are brought on by bacteria, viruses, or fungi. Bacterial infections like styes or pink eye occur when harmful bacteria invade your eye or the area around your eye. Viral infections, on the other hand, are often the result of the same viruses that give us the common cold or flu. Fungal infections are less common, but they can be quite serious. These infections usually occur when fungal spores make their way into the eye. Allergies too can cause symptoms that mimic an eye infection, such as redness, itching, and swelling. Remember, these culprits, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and allergies, are often invisible to the naked eye. But they can wreak havoc on your eyes, causing discomfort and potential complications if left untreated. As you see, numerous factors can lead to an eye infection, but recognizing them is the first step to prevention. Now, how do you know if you have an eye infection? Eye infections can be stealthy foes, but they often leave a trail of signs and symptoms in their wake. One of the most common signs is redness. Your eyes may look like they've been painted with a rouge brush, signaling an underlying infection. Then there's itchiness. It's like a pesky fly that won't leave you alone, making you want to scratch your eyes. But remember, scratching might exacerbate the problem. Swollen eyes too are a telltale sign. They can feel as heavy as lead and as puffy as a cloud. Pain, ranging from a dull ache to a sharp sting, could also point towards an eye infection. And let's not forget vision changes. If your world seems blurrier than usual, or if you notice any unusual changes in your vision, it's time to raise the alarm. Remember, early detection of these signs can save you from a lot of discomforts and complications. So, you've got an eye infection, what next? Well, there are several treatment options available, depending on the type of infection you have. For bacterial infections, prescription eye drops or ointments are commonly prescribed. These usually contain antibiotics to kill off the harmful bacteria causing the infection. If the infection is viral, such as with conjunctivitis, antiviral medications may be used. On the other hand, if the infection is due to a fungus, antifungal medications will be your go-to treatment. In some cases, simple home remedies can also be beneficial. For instance, applying warm compresses to the affected eye can help relieve symptoms like itching and swelling. But remember, it's incredibly important to consult a healthcare professional. They'll be able to accurately diagnose the type of infection and prescribe the most effective treatment. With the right treatment, most eye infections clear up quickly, so don't delay seeking help. Wouldn't it be great to avoid eye infections altogether? Indeed, it's a much more desirable path than treating an infection after it's already taken hold. Let's walk through some preventive measures that could help keep those twinkling stars of yours healthy and infection-free. Firstly, it's all about cleanliness. Regular hand washing is crucial. Our hands come into contact with an array of germs daily, and touching our eyes can easily transfer these unwelcome guests. So, keep those hands clean and be mindful not to rub your eyes unnecessarily. Next, it's important to remember that sharing isn't always caring, especially when it comes to personal items like towels or cosmetics. These can harbor bacteria that lead to infections. So keep your items to yourself and avoid borrowing others. Now let's talk about protection. Your eyes need shielding from harmful UV rays, and a good pair of sunglasses can do just that. So don't forget to don your shades when stepping out in the sun. For those who wear contact lenses, cleanliness is paramount. Ensure your lenses and storage cases are clean and disinfected regularly to avoid any potential infections. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of regular eye exams. They're vital for maintaining overall eye health and catching any potential issues early. Remember, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Stay vigilant and keep those peepers safe.